Hello! So, this is my November favorites. I just wanted to film a favorites video because I do get a bunch of new makeup and a bunch of stuff. It's not so much my November favorites, but I feel like I got them all in November, so I'm just going to call it my November favorites video. And I got some of this stuff a while back, but I've been loving it a lot this month, so let's get started. I'm just going to start off with some palettes and powders that I got, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So, in my last November favorites video, I didn't have this palette. I got it like 2 weeks after. I got the Morphe 350 palette. Super pretty. This palette, believe the hype. That's all I have to say is believe the hype. You know, like when things just get advertised so hard and every YouTuber has something and everybody's like, oh, it must be great, and then it really isn't that bomb. No, this is definitely Morphe. Morphe eyeshadow palettes are just untouchable. I don't think anyone does it better. And this mini for, I think it was like $28, I believe, $28. But yeah, believe the hype. This eyeshadow palette, super pigmented. Like, can we, what? Idi? Do it again. Ooh. What? Like, come on now. Come on now. Come on. Like, they did that, Morphe did that, and of course this shit, just like, guys, believe the hype. You should get it for yourself. And I think there's an all matte one and an all shimmer one too as well. I don't think I need that many eyeshadows. I believe soon I will get it just because I'm a junkie low-key, but no, believe the hype. If you want to get this palette, I definitely recommend you get this palette. This palette can probably do everything and every eyeshadow look you probably ever want to do in your life. If you owned this palette, maybe just a couple shimmery shades, you'd be set for life, especially if you're not an artist. Just like to do makeup in general, this is it. Like, I'm telling you guys, I cannot stress it enough. Believe the hype. You should get this for yourself because this is amazing. Like, I can't even get over how much I love this palette. I'm already hitting pan. I've only had it for like 2 months. 3 months? 3 months. I got it when it wasn't winter. It's so cold right now, so I'm wearing a sweater. It's minus 23 degrees in Calgary this very moment as we speak. But yeah, so believe the hype. This is amazing. Everyone should get it. Like, yes. This is just it. Everybody should get it. Alright, so next I'm going to show you guys my BH Cosmetics palette. This is a 10 color palette, professional blush kit. Super nice. I'm wearing this one today. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, I'm wearing this one. And you know I'm always saying every black girl needs an orange and a hot pink blush? Yeah. This is amazing. I will have the price listed below. Yeah, this blush palette, love it. All one word, guys, pigmented. Like, guys, what? Come on now. What color did I do? Coral? Like, yeah. Super nice, super pigmented. I wish there was a red blush in here because that'd make my life like, but no. This palette, super great, super inexpensive. BH Cosmetics, this is really good. Like, I would, especially if you're someone who wants to start practicing makeup and you want a wide range of blushes and stuff like that, definitely BH Cosmetics. This blush palette, it's a winner. I would definitely get it. Yeah, I love this palette. I got it from my friend Sheena because she says she has a bunch of them and she was like, yeah, I don't really need it. I never use it. Like, I've never touched it, so you can just have it. And I was like, you're the MVP, thank you very much. So yeah, that's that one. The next one is another BH Cosmetics palette. This is the BH Cosmetics Tulip Floral Blush Duo. Super nice. I'm wearing that highlighter today, actually. I put it on top of my regular highlighter, and it's super nice. It's like pink. It's just super pretty. Like, oh my gosh, it's like that. So nice. And then the blush, pigmented again. Oh, Lord. Oh, Jesus himself. Look at that. Super nice. Like, I'm telling you, like, wow. I'm wearing a little bit of the blush as well. Like, this is just super nice, and I would suggest anyone to get it. And it comes in a cute little packaging with a mirror. Super nice. Floral. So next is the Sasha Buttercup powder. I finally got it. I was very excited to get it. It was like $20 off of Amazon. No, I got it off of Sasha Buttercup online, like the actual website. I'll have the website below. I'll link it, everything. So yeah, I finally got it. I was so excited to use this because everybody like talks about it. Like, oh, for dark skinned girls, this is it, so and so and so and so. So I was really excited to use it. I am wearing it today. I wear it a lot, actually. So the thing about this powder is I really love the formula. Like, the formula is so finely milled. It's literally like it doesn't cake, it doesn't like leave any residue behind, no flashback, nothing. It is so pretty. The only thing about this is it's too yellow when I want to bake my under eyes. Like, I love baking my under eyes, but whenever I bake with this, it looks too yellow. I have to basically just press powder it in and then leave it. I bake under here still, but then I still have to go over it with like a darker powder just to kind of bring back the life. So I kind of feel like it washes me out a little bit. Like, it gives me like a cool tone look when I want to look warmer. So I always have to go in with my regular powder to fix it, but other than that, this powder is amazing. Like, I love it so much. I wish it was a little bit like not so yellow, maybe a little warmer. Maybe Sasha should come out with a darker powder, because the formula on this is like, and that's why I won't stop using it. I don't care if it's too yellow. I'm gonna find a way around it. Like, this stuff is amazing. I was like, y'all did that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful powder. So yeah, if you need a setting powder, this is it for you. Definitely. It's super, super nice. If they had like a I don't know, peanut butter cup by Sasha Buttercup, that'd be poppin'. Like, I feel like a little darker and I would be all over it, but I do really, really enjoy this and it's really, really nice. So next is my Clinique Stay Matte Sheer Press Powder in Stay Brandy. It just looks like this. I got this powder. I got it for my gratis, so I bought it with my Clinique money. So it's really, really nice. I really, really enjoy it. I use it as my under eye powder and my all over the face powder as well. It's very pretty. It's pretty warm. It's not too dark. I mean, it's not too red because I don't like when it's too warm. But actually, this is what I use to warm up the Sasha Buttercup powder, just because sometimes it's too cool tone. And this is really, really nice. It reminds me of a lot of my L'Oreal's, is it L'Oreal? Yeah, my L'Oreal Stay Matte powder. But this one, I can only get it whenever I go to the US, and I don't go as often enough to get it. I am going very soon, so I'm probably going to get another one just because. But for those of you who can't get this in Calgary, get this one from Clinique. It's called Stay Brandy. It's very nice. It's around $33. Very good powder. Like, oh my goodness. And it's hypoallergenic and it won't make you break out. So that's always good. That's always a plus. But yeah, they're somewhat the same. This is a little warmer. But this one, the thing about this one is a powdered foundation. So it's very thick. So for people who have really dry skin, this might be too much for you. It'll look super cakey under your eye. But this one is a sheer powder. So you definitely can use this one in substitute to this one. It's very sheer, so it's very nice. I love the way it's under my skin. It doesn't look too heavy, because this one sometimes does tend to look too heavy unless I put in work. Like, I mean, like, pound it in and spray it and all that fun stuff. But this is basically the easy way out. It's super sheer, super nice, and the color is amazing for the under eye powder. Alright, so next is my Coconut Grove eyeshadow. It's by NARS. Super nice. So yeah, it's my contour powder. It's super, super nice, because I used to use way back, I didn't use a dark enough color, and I didn't like how it didn't really make it prominent. So before, obviously, my foundation was so off, it was so much lighter, so I could use dark browns to contour, but that wasn't even my true color. I was just using the wrong foundation color. Struggles. But since I've been using the right foundation color lately, even my Becca powder, I probably should talk about this too. My Becca powder is too warm, and it matches my skin a lot more than I really thought. Like, it really matches my, it kind of matches my skin a lot more. So I always use it as a bronzer, use that term very lightly, and I use it as my contour just to define my cheeks even more. So these two are basically the go-to duo for all black girls who want to contour your face. This is magical. So this is the Becca Cacao powder. It's a powder foundation as well, and then this one is a NARS eyeshadow. It's a very creamy, dark brown. So it's not black, because black comes off really, really cool tone, but this one is very warm, but it's still really, really dark. So I really, really like this one. This is like the contour duo of the year, peanut butter and jelly. Yeah, because I don't like peanut butter, but you know, y'all catch what I'm saying. So it's really, really nice, and it's super creamy, so it literally glides on like magic. Next are these three ColourPop eyeshadows. These are the Super Shock shadows. So this one is in lace. It's like a really nice purple. This one is in bay. It's a very iridescent kind of bluish color. And this one is in mittens, and it's a really nice brownish color. Next, I'm going to go through some lipsticks. Actually, no, I think I'm going to mention my foundation again because I feel like it's basically foundation of the year. Every single month, foundation of the month. So, of course, I always have to mention real quickly my favorite foundation. I wear it every single day. Clinique Even Better Espresso. If you have a hard time finding a dark foundation, try this foundation out. Trust me, try it first. Even like put it on your face, wear it for a whole day, try it out. Go ask for a sample, try out the foundation. I'm telling you, you'll love it. You will love it. If you're my shade or even a tad bit darker, this foundation is it for you. I'm telling you guys, magical. This stuff is amazing. So next, we'll go through some lipsticks and lip glosses, of course. So I have 3 lip glosses here and 2 lipsticks. So I'm gonna start with my lipstick. This one is Buttercup. It's the Gerard Cosmetics Jaclyn Hill collab. This is a while ago. This is old. But a friend of mine just gave it to me because she was like, oh, you love nudes. I know you'll love this one. I said, say no more. So the packaging, lit. Like, can we talk about how it's gold and I love gold? But yeah, so I'm going to swatch the lipstick now. It's a very nice, really pinky nude. You guys know how I feel about nudes. Look at that. Look at that. Nude of the year, guys. Amazing. Alright, so with the actual lipstick, it came with like a corresponding lip gloss. That's what I'm wearing today. Super pretty. Let's swatch that right above it. It's like a really pretty blue tint, kind of pink. It's like so nice. And it comes with a flashlight so you can see your lips. It's pretty cool. That's the lip gloss right there, right above it. And then I also got another Gerard Cosmetics lip gloss. This one's in Seduction. Oh, sorry. This one was in Buttercup. Buttercream. So Buttercup and Buttercream, right? Yeah. So the lipstick is Buttercup. The lip gloss is Buttercream. And then this lip gloss is in Seduction. This is a completely different lip gloss, but the same brand. It's a really nice brownish red color. This one I wore in my last holiday video. Love that stuff. Super, super nice. And then this one I got from Lena Lashes. It's in Bayou. It's like a really nice brown lip gloss. I wore this in one of my selfies and y'all was, what, Destiny, what is that? I said, just y'all wait. Super nice. Look at that. That nice nude. Super nice nude with a black lip liner. And this, best thing ever. Alright. So that's it for my lip glosses and lipsticks. I'm gonna move on to a little bit of skincare and stuff like that. So last month, so in October, Lancome had a gift of purchase. So I bought a night cream. It's the Visionaire Night Beauty Sleep Perfector. It's like a gel formula. Super nice. Love this stuff. Very expensive, like damn, but it is so amazing. I wear it every single night and my face always feels so hydrated. Like my face, oh, it just absorbs all the moisture and it's so nice. It really locks in all the other moisturizers and serums I put on my face. So this stuff, you look for a good night cream. It's a little expensive, but I mean, this stuff is magical. Like with the Hydra Zen mask, amazing. It's a serum mask, it's like a gel. It is amazing. I wear, they say to use it once every couple, like at least twice a month or once a month. This stuff is so nice. You wake up and your face feels like it drank water the entire night. So it's super hydrated. It's like squishy and like, oh man, it's just, this stuff is really nice. So next is Bifacil. I also got this in my little gift bag. It's the best makeup remover ever. Bifacil is amazing. It's really good for eye makeup removal. I use it for my face sometimes because I'm too lazy to do anything. But yeah, you just put it on a cotton and just like literally one wipe and it's gone. And I'm lazy, like I said in my other favorites video, I'm lazy. I like a lot of makeup remover stuff just because I don't like all that extra stuff. I like to just boom get it out the way. So this is my Clinique Custom Repair Smart Serum. This serum is my life. This is the 50 ml. Oh, I got it at Clinique School for free a couple months ago. I've not stopped using it since. It is amazing. I was editing one of my videos one day and I was like, oh, am I wearing makeup? My skin just looks so much better. Like everything was getting more toned out. My dark spots were slowly trying to go away. You guys, this stuff, I'm not even joking. Like, I'm not even joking. My job doesn't make me say this. Like, this stuff is amazing. my skin, the way it cleared up in a matter of like a month. I think it just took a month. I use it twice a day, morning and night. A month only, and my skin just became so much clearer, more balanced. It was a lot brighter. Like, it looks so not dull. Before, my skin looked so dull, and now it started to look more radiant and so much nicer. This serum is the truth. It's the GOAT. MJ. It is like, this is Michael Jordan. This is everything. This is like Kobe. This is every analogy you could think of the greatest of all time. This is it. I'm telling you guys, like, ugh, I love this stuff. I'm almost out of it, and because I like it, I'm actually gonna buy myself another one. Well, I'm gonna wait till gratis. I'm gonna wait till my next gratis. I'm gonna order another one. I got this for a duck as well, because I got another free one in class, so I asked her to try it. She just texted me today, because I texted her, hey girl, how's the serum coming along? She goes, oh, like, I haven't tried it yet. I'll try it tonight. I was like, girl, come on now. I got it for her birthday when I was in Arizona. It was in October. She should have been tried it because she's missing out. This stuff is magical, and yeah, no, this stuff's amazing. If you want a good even complexion, you have troubles with your skin looking kind of dull, this is the GOAT. Kobe, Jordan, Amrezy, just saying. This stuff's amazing. Next, I think, oh, here. Okay, so this palette's kind of broken, but I want to touch up on this palette. Write it down what palette this is, but this palette is amazing. Super creamy, broken, but look at the, I'm just going to swatch some of the colors quick. Yeah, look at that. Look at those colors, like super nice. Wow. Holy, I like this color. I'm gonna do a tutorial on this color. Like, I really like this. But yeah, look at those. I use this highlight sometimes just because when I feel like being a little cuter. But like, look at that. It's super creamy. It's drugstore too, so it's a really nice palette. I really like that palette a lot, honestly. People are always asking, oh, like, do you have any suggestions for inexpensive brushes and like a really good quality and stuff like that? So these brushes, it comes with 5 face brushes and 5 eyeshadow brushes. I gave the other one to my sister because I already had a million blending brushes when I got these for I got them last Christmas, so I've had them for a whole year now. These brushes, underrated. Yeah, they may be cheap, but I mean, they do the job. They get the job done. Like, my face, do I lack? These brushes are amazing. Okay, I do lack sometimes. But what I'm trying to say is, these are super inexpensive. I think they were like $12 or something like that for all 10 of the brushes. They're super nice. I'll have the link down below so you guys can get them. Usually there's free shipping, so you can definitely get these. I believe they're on AliExpress as well. I'm pretty sure they are. If you need just 10 brushes, a couple eyeshadow, a couple face ones, and you don't really wear makeup that often and that much, these brushes are your, like, you need to get these ones. They're amazing, and I really like these brushes. I'm like obsessed. Like, I use them all just because I can use them. Like, really nice bristles. They're not too hard. They give you a couple different options for crease ones, and they give you like a tapered one for, I guess, like your under eye area, or like when you try to get in there. I didn't mean to middle finger. But when you want to get in there, it gives you like a nice tapered one. Super dense, super nice. And these ones are all really fluffy. Some of them are bigger than the others, but they're just really good. So yeah, I'll leave the link down below for those ones. And then, of course, last but not least, I want to talk about my Huda Beauty lashes. Oh my god. Okay, so again, believe the hype. That's all I'm saying. I'm wearing them today. Believe the hype. These eyelashes, amazing. All I have to say is you should get them. If you can afford them, you should get them. That's all I have to say. They're amazing. They don't even feel like they're on my face. They're not uncomfortable. The band is thick, and usually thick band lashes are super uncomfortable. These soft baby's bottom, like, they are amazing. I've worn them every single day since I've got them. So yes, I'm obsessed with them. I love them so much. I dig them. I don't plan on ever not wearing them ever again, to be honest with you guys. I plan on getting me more of these. I like these. These are in Scarlet, by the way. These are number 8 in Scarlet, and they're really nice. I like these ones a lot. They flare out more on the outside and they're smaller on the inside. I want fuller, thicker ones, but these ones are amazing. Like, they make everything look so much more you know what I mean? But yeah, those are my favorite ones right now. I think I want to do some music or something. Yeah, I want to play some music for you guys. This is one of my new favorite songs right now. A duck put me on, as usual. She puts me on. Like an anthem. This is Beautiful by Mali Music. It's such a beautiful song. Whenever I just want to like read and sit by myself and think, I always play this song. Gratitude. There's a light in my air for you. What you gonna do? Cause you're beautiful, beautiful. So that's another song that I like a lot. And then one more song I want to play for you guys that I've been like, just like dying over lately. Cause Chul put me on this song, guys. I love this one so much. I cherish you. I stand for you. I feel life to you. Life for you. Thing in my life for you. Talk to me on my mind. See you. He's so cute. Baby. So it's Malik Berry, Control. That song goes. Yeah. So I like it there. So I get up to the baseline. One was time. Control. Control. One was time. Your time. Hey. Hey. Oh, about to drop stuff. We don't got time. Super Shock Shadow. These are the Super Shocks. Oh my god, I can't. I need to eat. I got my, oh lord, dropping it. So, wow, Destiny, your shit just be messy as hell, bro.